Hello, Anna. Today, we're diving into a powerful tool for your English fluency, connectors. These are words that make your sentences flow better, like glue that holds your ideas together. Are you ready to make your English sound more natural?
Hi, teacher. Yes, I'm ready. But what exactly are connectors? Are they like the words and but?
Great question, Anna. Yes, words like and but are connectors. But today we're going to learn a few that are a bit more advanced. Connectors help you explain things in more detail and make your sentences sound more interesting. Words like moreover, besides, in fact, and therefore.
Oh, I see. So, these are words that link ideas together.
Exactly. Imagine you're telling a story. With connectors, your sentences flow together better and your ideas become clearer. Let's start with a simple example. Say, I like ice cream. It's very tasty.
Okay. I like ice cream because it's very tasty.
Good. You used because to give a reason. But let's try in fact this time to emphasize why you like it. So you could say, I like ice cream. In fact, it's my favorite dessert. It makes it sound stronger, doesn't it?
Ah, yes. So, in fact means like actually or something similar.
Exactly. In fact is often used to give more specific information or emphasize something. Let's try another. Use besides in a sentence.
I like to eat ice cream besides it's my favorite dessert.
Close. But remember, besides connects ideas. So it sounds smoother if we use it like this. I like to eat ice cream. Besides, it's my favorite dessert. Notice how we added a little pause?
Oh, I get it now. Besides is used when I want to add more information, right?
Exactly. Great job. Let's keep going. Another good connector is moreover. It's similar to besides. Let's say learning English is fun. Moreover, it helps you get a good job.
Okay. So, learning English is hard. Moreover, it's fun?
Almost. But since you're adding an idea, you'd say, learning English is hard. Moreover, it's very useful. We often use moreover to add a benefit or reason.
Oh, so I'm kind of making a list of reasons.
Yes, exactly. Now, here's a fun one. By the way, this connector is often used when you change the subject. For example, if we're talking about food, and then suddenly I say, by the way, did you finish your homework?
Oh, like I'm changing the topic. So, I can say, by the way, teacher, I forgot to do my homework.
Ha ha ha, that's right. But don't forget your homework next time. By the way is perfect for introducing new information without interrupting the conversation. All right, let's try in addition.
I like to study English. In addition, I practice with my friends.
Yes, that's correct. In addition is used to add something extra to your sentence, like adding more toppings on a pizza. So, if I say, I enjoy teaching. In addition, I love seeing my students succeed. It's a way of adding more positives to the conversation.
Oh, okay. So it's like saying also?
Yes, very similar to also. Now, let's try on the other hand. It's great for showing contrast or opposing ideas. For example, I like studying English. On the other hand, I find grammar a bit tricky.
Oh, let me try. I like watching movies in English. On the other hand, I can't understand everything.
Excellent, Anna. That's a perfect example. on the other hand, helps you balance two different ideas in one sentence. Now here's a useful one, therefore.
I think I know this one. Therefore is like so, right?
You got it. Therefore is often used to show the result of something. For example, I forgot to set my alarm. Therefore, I was late.
Oh, so I didn't study for my exam. Therefore, I didn't pass?
That's correct. See how it connects cause and effect? Therefore is very handy in conversations where you need to explain the reason for something.
Teacher, what about consequently? Is it the same as therefore?
Yes, consequently is also a result connector, just like therefore. They both show that something happened as a result of something else. For example, I studied hard. Consequently, I got a high score. Try using consequently in a sentence.
Okay, let's see. I didn't sleep well last night. Consequently, I'm very tired today.
Perfect. Now you're getting the hang of it. Let's try one last one. Such as. It's used to give examples.
Okay. I like sports such as soccer, basketball, and tennis.
Perfect. Such as is great for listing things. You can also use for example. It's very similar.
Oh, for example is easier for me to remember.
That's perfectly fine. Use whatever feels natural. Now, let's practice these connectors in a little story. Imagine you're writing about why English is useful.
Okay. Learning English is very important. In fact, it's used in many countries. How's that?
Excellent. Let's add some more connectors. You could say, learning English is very important. In fact, it's used in many countries. Moreover, it's helpful for work.
Oh, I see. Moreover, it helps with travel.
Perfect, Anna. Now, let's add on the other hand. Maybe, learning English can be hard. On the other hand, it's rewarding.
Got it. Learning English can be hard. On the other hand, it's fun.
Excellent. Now let's wrap it up with therefore.
Okay. Learning English is challenging but fun. Therefore, I will keep practicing.
Well done, Anna. You've used in fact, moreover, on the other hand, and therefore perfectly. Connectors are all about making your ideas flow naturally.
Thanks, teacher. This is fun. By the way, can we practice this in the next class too?
Haha. Sure thing, Anna. You did a fantastic job today. Just remember, connectors will make your English stronger and more fluent.
Thank you, teacher.
If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure you don't miss our next video. We have an exciting and engaging topic lined up to help you practice your listening skills. Click here to watch it and keep improving your English.